Whenever you stand in your yoga practice, be happy with it and don't compare yourself to other students in the yoga class. Remember that each body type is unique and different people are at different levels of expertise. Some might easily perform a practically yoga asanas, while others may need a little more time and practice to get there. Therefore, don't feel effortless and overexert yourself. Your flexibility and efficiency in doing yoga posture will improve with regular practice. Do not be alarmed if you experience some resources in the muscles during the initial days of practice. What if the pain practice? Inform your instructor immediately. The crux here is to be regular with your yoga. Practice and have patience just like any other discipline. It will take some time for the body to get used to the yoga asanas.